Welcome to Matt's Custom Cars. Today I'll show you how to adjust drum brakes and to probably bleed them most probably. Okay, like you can see, I took off the drum for inspection wise to see if there's any marks and any grooves inside the drum. This drum could use some work, but it's decent. It's not too bad, like you can see. Only got small grooves. So yeah, customer has been complaining the van doesn't want to stop, it goes down to the pedal. Should be obvious if you've got too much travel. Let me just put this dust cover back here. If you've got too much travel, your shoes should travel, your pedal's gonna go all the way to the ground before it even does anything. Here's your adjuster. You can also adjust it from the back side with the drum on. We'll do that just now. I just want to get it as close as possible before I put the drum back on. Man, this thing had a lot to go, eh? No wonder that customer didn't have brakes. Also works on a handbrake if you didn't know that, eh? Yeah. Gee whiz, that's a lot. Just do this adjustment. Other way.
Send it out.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Okay. Anyhow, let me just sink these shoes. We don't mess this around. Man, this thing's got a lot of adjustment. Just want to get it as close as possible before we adjust it from the back, the final adjustments. Goes through a little hole like that to adjust it all the way up and down without the special tool. It's not really that easy. There's your problem, eh? Now, to get it pretty much centered, put the drum back. Let me adjust it a bit down. Let me just gently tap it because see it's catching on the studs. There we go. Still a bit to adjust. That's what you want to hear. Barely just touching. Okay. Let me put back this wheel for now and move on to the other side. don't see any brake fluid or any damage inside, just the adjustment was way low. That would affect your travel on your pedal, as those plungers have to come out all the way before it can kick.
Okay, alrighty then. And just lock this wheel in place. Reason why I'm doing this, you see the nut has to center the wheel in place. And on a 5 lug you tighten one, skip one, tighten one, like a flange. It's actually part of fitting. Just in place. Alright. Same principle we did on the right hand side applies to the left hand side. First we check. We don't see any brake fluid leaks. The shoes are nice and thick. The drum itself is actually in quite good nick. It's just a bit lazed. Shouldn't be too much of an issue. And then let's adjust it up. So many people forget that small little thing of adjusting the brakes. It's not a caliper. A caliper automatically adjusts. This, you've got to manually adjust or adjust with the handbrake. Here's the unit for the handbrake. When you pull the handbrake and press the brake, it's supposed to adjust it. That's what that's for. It's an auto adjuster. Just see. Bit tight. Small comes down. It's not as bad as the right hand side was. Shoes still a bit more. Sometimes you're going to go a couple of times, believe me, just to find that sweet spot. Up, definitely doing this bucky, eh? The cancels. Now you can see this is spectacular. That sounds a lot better. Okay, that should solve your problem with the brake pedal going all the way down to the floor at least. And that's just a part of general maintenance. Remember, most of these old vehicles, the automatic adjust unit doesn't work anymore. Most of them worn out, tooth on the adjuster shot, or the adjuster itself shot. So it's good maintenance once a year to at least take the wheels off and check all the brake linings and everything. I know the pads go way before the brake linings does, but still it's good practice when you service the vehicle to have a look at that. Doesn't seem like we'll be bleeding brakes. As the customer stated, he already has peeled and it's not going to the wall, which is good news.
charge pump, everything should be okay. It was just low fluid on the gearbox side. Yeah. Brakes are good, eh? Kick down also works